Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, which index option to choose for tomorrow's trading. All those things will be discussed in this short video. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel. Please do refer to your friends to help me to grow this a bigger one. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investments. Nifty on a 5-minute chart, it was a kind of very good gap up opening almost from this 9,800 mark. It opened somewhere closer to the 10,000 and from there it started shedding the points. But around 11:30 to 12 o'clock, it started dropping heavily, and by around 1 o'clock the China news came that there was a fight in the border, and because of which it almost dropped by around 200 points from 9,950 to 9,750, and during the closing hours of the day it regained almost the losses which made during that period. And how it is going to be tomorrow, considering this rise of 100 points tomorrow, it can continue this the same momentum, and if there is no any further news, if there is no news, we can technically expect it to go little up. So that is how the indications are. Let us see the tomorrow's level. So tomorrow's level on the C side, it was very minimal because it was a kind of cap up and just went a little up, so it just gave only 41 rupees of profit, whereas on the P side it opened a kind of low and just dropped only 20 around 17 points, and you can see the gains, 142 point gains as a high. So a very big spike in the price of the PEs. And the same thing on the Bank Nifty also. The put option side gave a kind of profit of around 600 rupees per lot. Both the levels were very good winners, and very happy to say this. And coming to the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is also the same, opened about 20,500 mark and went up to this 20,600. From there it started dropping and gave a couple of entries, one at this one and then the second one this one. This one has a kind of very good, I thought of like from there, from this point itself it will drop, but this one kind of a small retracement happened and then it started dropping, giving a kind of very good buy level, and it was a kind of throughout the day it was a kind of winning level, and then it started recovering couple of the points which shed. And how is option chain data looking? Like you can see, if it goes up, this one, this 9,900 will give a kind of very good support to go up, because here also almost 11 lakh open interest, and here also like a 13 lakh contract. So if it drops below 9,900 it might go all the way down, and you can see already like call option side is winding, so every possibility that it might go down, this will resist further to go up, and even if it goes up it will resist at this 10,000 mark. You can see almost 5 lakh contract has been added, and at the same time here also you can see the 5 lakh, the same amount of contract has been added. So it's going to be like a tug of war between this 9,900 to 10,000 mark. So tomorrow it is going to be like a very tough day, and being like a one day before expiry, it's going to be like a kind of neutral day, or if it is going to be like a news based market, we have to be very careful. And let us go to the levels for tomorrow. So tomorrow it is going to be like a kind of straddle method only. So if it trades below 9,900, and preferably because already SGX Nifty is trading somewhere at this level, so if it trades below this 9,900 mark, 9,900, I would suggest to exercise 9,800 put option, and the stop loss for the same will be 10,000. Once the Nifty crosses 10,000 mark, you can close this put option and go with the call option. Okay, so if it drops below 9,900, exercise 9,800 put option with a stop on a spot price of 10,000 mark. And on the other side, if it crosses below 10,000 mark, you can exercise 9,900 call option with a stop of 9,900. So only trade this call option when you see the price above 10,000 mark. Okay, so that is the level for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, whenever you see this crosses above 20,350, okay, 20,350, you can exercise call option 20,300 call option, and the stop for the same will be 20,300 to 250 mark. Whenever it crosses 20,250 to 300, you can exit from this call option and you can go with this 20,300 put option. So if the opening is downside, whenever you see it is below this 20,250 to 20,200, you can straight away go ahead with this 20,300 put option, and the stop loss will be 20,300 to 350 mark. Hope this tomorrow's levels are very clear. If the nifty is above 10,000 mark, you can exercise 9,900 call option, and if you see below 9,900, you can exercise 9,800 put option. Stop on the call option side will be 9,900, and stop on the put option will be 10,000 mark. Whenever it crosses 10,000, exit this 9,800 put option. And the same thing, whenever you see this one below 20,250 to 20,200 mark, you can exercise put option with a stop of 20,300 to 20,350. And on the other side, whenever it crosses 20,300 to 20,350, you can exercise call option with a stop of 20,200 to 250 mark. All the very best, and have a profitable and a beautiful day tomorrow. Thanks very much.